Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Dodge in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2018 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk in billet silver metallic, powered by the 3.2 liter Pentastar V6 engine underneath the hood. And this beast is ready to go off-road. Come to the front here, you'll have projector-style LED headlamps lighting up the road in front of you with 2 fog lights. There's 2 tow hooks on the front, and you have that unique 7-slot grille in the middle. Come to the side here, the Jeep Cherokee is running on 17-inch Firestone Destination mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction, and they are on blacked out rims, and both driver and passenger side door mirrors have built-in LED turn signal lights. They are brick away. They're heated mirrors as well, so you can heat those up, defrost them, and see what's beside you. And this Jeep is trail rated. This Cherokee has the proximity key fob. You have an unlock button, a lock button, remote start button, power liftgate button, and a panic button. Hit this button twice, the doors will lock, and then the Cherokee will start right up for you. Just like that. And there's LED running lights on the front. You can keep this key fob in your hand or in your pocket, and all you gotta do is put your hand around the driver's side door handle. The Jeep will sense the fob is near, and they'll unlock the doors for you. Move inside. Driver's seat is fully powered with lumbar support, leather seats throughout, adjustable headrests on the front seats, and you have adjustable seatbelt height. So depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust those so you're most comfortable. Panoramic sunroof up above. Nice leather padding in the middle here for arms to rest on. Lift this up, there's an upper storage area. Grab a lower, there's a lower storage area, and there's a change holder, a USB port, a 12-volt DC power outlet, and lots of space for many different things. Spot for some pens right there. 2 big cup holders in the middle. Electronic parking brake, and this also has an automatic transmission. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Feels great in your hands. This is a tilt steering wheel too. Directional air vent here, which you can close and open. Automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it with the fog light button there. Dimmer knobs and the button to open up the power lift gate. All right, moving to the back seat area here. There's tons of foot room. Down here in the middle, there's directional air vents, which you can close and open. And there's a 115-volt AC power outlet here, so your passengers can plug in their laptops if they want to. There's a fold-down armrest here in the middle with 2 big cup holders. There's a 60/40 rear split setup. Pull this handle here. Seat comes down like so. There's hooks on the backs of the seats, so if you need to set up a child seat, you can easily do that if you want. There's also a handle on the other side there, so that side also comes down easily. And there's adjustable headrests in the back seats too. All the seats are comfortable to sit in and very nice to touch. To open up the power liftgate, just as easy. Just press this button twice and it opens up right before your eyes. Beautiful. And back here, there is tons of storage space for many different things. Hooks on the side here so you can hang up bags. There's a cover here which you can pull like this and lock it into place so things underneath it will be out of sight. And it easily goes back just like that. And there's a 12-volt DC power outlet on the left side here. A little storage spot. You could put things behind there. And underneath here is a spare tire. Go ahead, load up this Cherokee and go on a nice long road trip.
Hi, this is Alex from Crosstown. What we have here today is a 2018 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk edition. It's great in the city as it is in the country. Heated seats, we got cooling seats, we got an 8.4-inch screen. You have your terrain select right here. Set it and forget it cruise control, which is adaptive cruise control. Compartment for your sunglasses right here. Glove box. Nice space down there. So why don't you come down here and test drive it. We'll see if we can work out the best price for you.
This Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk only has 3,080 kilometers on it. Not very much at all, so come down to Crosstown Dodge today and be sure to take this thing for a test drive. This Cherokee also has active ParkSense, front and rear ParkSense parking sensors, LaneSense, and forward collision warning, dual climate control with the auto feature, which allows the Cherokee to adjust your climate control for you, traction control, auto stop start, and if you put the Cherokee into reverse, the backward camera appears on the touchscreen Uconnect system, giving you a great view of what's behind you, and if I turn the wheel, it'll guide you to where you're going to go. This Jeep also has 4-wheel drive low, hill descent assist, an e-locker, USB, auxiliary port, SD card port down here, the 12-volt DC power outlet. Of course, you have Bluetooth, and you can make hands-free calls, and tons of visibility out the front window. And along with adaptive cruise control, you also have regular cruise control, and you have steering wheel mounted controls for the driver information center screen in the middle, which gives you tons of information, including trip computers. It's the 2018 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk in billet silver metallic paint, powered by the 3.2-liter Pentastar V6 engine under the hood. This thing is ready to go off-road and has all sorts of bells and whistles inside of it. Come down to Crosstown Dodge today and see it in person. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.